How's it going, everybody? How we doing? How we doing? We got 2 live streams going at once tonight. We got the new and the old. The probably new Recruit Training Center is now officially live. Let's see. Oh, I guess I'll put the link to this. I come over here. I don't think I have to keep watching this, but if I hit this. Duplicate. Tab. Perfect. Now can I just go to my channel? New channel. Perfect. Okay, I don't know if I needed to do that, but whatever. So here's a new channel at PromptlyBot. YouTube.com/@PromptlyBot. And then I guess I'll stick that in this description here, since we're here. Okay, so last night, I'm just gonna delete this. Delete this. I guess we're just gonna do a little catch up on coding, see what we gotta do. Let's see what we gotta do. So you come into Claude, you got your usage. You go, shiitake mushrooms. Now, is that the one that uses more? I heard it from Opus. Oh, so we're all moving over to Opus now. Cool. Does it just switch to Opus and Claude Code? Like, how's the deal work? Everything seems to be working. Although I'm getting yellows on my quality here. Am I getting the kbps I need to be getting? Unless I come dropping some kbps. KBS or whatever. It's interesting. I got kind of crappy signal. I wonder if that's my Wi-Fi card. I wonder how it looks on the computer. I mean, on the phone. Oh yeah, I did all this because I wanted to do this thing over here. It doesn't even show that I'm live right now. Is it not working? So I found this video. I was going to see if I could get this working because I thought it was pretty cool. Here. Let's see. Okay. Oh, I'm live right now. It's working. It's working. Now, how's it? Is it going fast? Looks great. Yeah, it looks really good. Even though I'm getting kind of a crappy one. On that one in particular, it's crappy, the connection, but it's working just fine. Even. Yeah, good to know. There's Claude Code over here. Okay, how much cash do I gotta spend? They took my cash away? No, come on, yeah. That's fine. They gave me free cash. All right, let's do it, Opus. First, before I do that, I need to push all my changes. So, okay, so I got some stuff going on. What do you want to talk about tonight? We've got the meta prompting finished feature set. Concurrent, elegant, and tasteful. Extensible and nimble. Zero external dependencies. I always love that. Let's see. We're going to run a demo. Okay. Cool stuff here. This one, yeah, this is a GitHub one. Installing Unity, open project in Unity Hub, build scene following GitHub, build request, test on device. I gotta get the quest. How much is a quest these days? Has anybody got a clue? Pundos. What's this thing coming on? Brilliant 4K, that's not bad. 20 a month. Yeah, I don't want to do that. Available today at the Knoxville store. I mean, maybe I want to do it. Let's see what ChatGPT thinks. Let's take that over here. So let's get the top 12 gigabyte. I might just have to build my own. You know, I guess. Let's see. All right. I guess I'm going to download Unity. I'm building an AR assistant on top of the HoloLens platform. Let's do this window over here. We'll see. This is my sister's new blog. She's TikTok famous. Is this working? I don't know if it is. So is this one right? No, over here, I gotta check. LTS 22.3 LTS. So right here. Or you go right there and do it. Not found. Okay, let's try that. Okay, long-term support. There it is, that's what I want. I want the long-term support. 22 LTS for Windows. Oh, I love that. I love getting the long-term support. Well, if you wanted to know how to build a video game, just say yeah. We're doing that now. This is the second game I'm working on. I got another one we started tonight. It's like a castle defender game. Let's see, where's my window? This one is gonna be a mixed reality thing, so I need the headset with the cameras. So I can test it. It's pretty much done. I can finish it in a few hours, but if I don't have the headset, I can't really test it. So I can't like show you stuff. Although maybe, wait. Maybe I could. While that's installing, let me hop over here and see if I can see if that works. I'm gonna have a demo, I think, on the browser anyway. So I might as well set one up and then we can test it out. Of course, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to show my phone browser on the screen. I can on my Mac. So for anybody who's new, this is Claude Code. This is the little orange guy here. And it's a plugin that connects to Anthropic's Claude platform, which is super cool. This is the code I wrote over here on the left. This is the inside of the file. This is sort of how it works. This is the chat, and then this is the file that we're co-writing. More files. So what I do is I ask it, what's next? It reviews what we've been doing, and it gives us a plan. Run the demo to verify the components work together. Okay, so let's see. So I'm just going to ask it to do it so I don't mess something up. And then I'm going to paste in what's going to be said when I'm done running these demos. I'm kind of like waiting on that. I don't want to lose it. Okay, this demo still works. See, 0 out of 3 successful roads. Couldn't execute. Expected if Graphis is not installed. We could try it. We could try it. If I open a terminal window, it's this terminal. See, I'm in this thing. Could I just ask? Could I just say Graphis version? I could just pip install it and it'll tell me if it's installed. So you just copy and paste that in your terminal. You don't have to do this, but you could tell it to do it. But this way it maybe saves a little bit of, yeah, see, I didn't have Graphis. So now it might rerun and work. How's this doing? Working good. The garden planning app. Okay, this is for a food app that's going to help people cook, eat healthier, buy from farmers, etc. This is pushing my GitHub changes. I'm gonna run a sonnet test after I get all my changes pushed to GitHub. I mean, not sonnet, Opus. I'm gonna get Opus to run my code. Okay, so this is doing the phone browser test. Still working on that. Error OAuth code is expired. Let's see what happens. That's probably where I turned it off earlier while I was mid-work. So this is another game that I'm working on. Maybe I need to put it in Unity too now that I got Unity working, but it looks like Unity is going to be like a pretty serious handover where I have to get in a new app, learn a new app in order to build with it, which is not as cool as running everything through the same thing. I can build pieces here, but then I have to get in Unity and reassemble it. That's the way building iOS apps were. And it's like as soon as you take the guardrails off and you're not using your AI, you've got to like know what you're doing again. This might be stuck, so I'm going to hit. Just hit it with the resume in case it's stuck. And then this is adding this. Okay. Then just start over again, see where we're at on some of this stuff. Oh yeah, did it load Graphis? And I got a lot of tokens tonight, so I can be kind of sloppy. Not that you should do that, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. It might be nice if we got Opus running in here. I don't know if I'm getting any Sonnet extra credit. Everything's working again. Everything's working good. Light and night, we've only got about 10 chats going. Let's see. Interesting. Okay, so we got that going. I think I got most of the GitHub pushed. There's Unity. So we're going to build a couple of our games in. Some of our games. Where's the GitHub one? Push my changes. Yeah, because push protection is blocking. Yeah, it's blocking. How do I turn it off? Easy as allow test key via GitHub. So URL. Allow the secret. Test file. Wait. GitHub's push protection is allow the test key via GitHub. We fixed it in later commits. Oh, I see. Okay. So it had a secret in one of the old commits. History, more complex. I think we should rewrite get history, but I hate for it to lose the key. Let's see. Visit this URL to allow the secret. Since it's clearly a test key. Oh, it's a test key. Allow to expose the secret. It's a test key. Yeah, good to go. Now that should keep going. iPhone demo and Unity client are ready to test whenever you're ready to proceed. So how do I test it? Open Safari, navigate to your PC IP. Can I just do localhost? 8080, is it running now? Oh, I have to open terminal, start back end, do this stuff. Alright, so here's how you do it. Open terminal. Of course, I'm in my development environment. Start Hololune backend. Change directories to Mithril. I'm there. Python. Let's try it. Start the server. Prometheus client not installed. Install with pip install Prometheus client. Is it going to let me run it without Prometheus? Oh, I think it will. Maybe not. Okay, I think that worked. Should I install Prometheus? Nope, I didn't get it. Pip install Prometheus client. I could scroll back up to the top and find it. I did something, didn't it? That looks like the server's running. Oh, I'm in a different place now. Whatever this is. I didn't think that was how I was there. Pip install Prometheus client. I think we should go ahead and do that, don't you? Probably tell me I have to. I didn't take it again. I have to write Prometheus by hand. Oh no, did I send it? Okay, install Prometheus client. So if that's giving you a little trouble, sometimes you just gotta hit up here and hit the copy and paste. Oh, that was what I was doing. I was control seeing it down there. Did it close the stopping reload process? Did it close my server down when I did that? Alright, sad. Okay. Do I need to do this one again? Yep, I did. I'm glad I noticed that. You could like work and just miss one little doodad. Boom, we're back online. Give it a second. Jewett Steel. Terminal 2. Start a web server. Change directories. So you come over here and you start a new terminal. And change directories. And start a web server. So, you know, one of the servers is running the software, and the other one is running the user interface. Do I have to do it in Safari on the iPhone? Oh, that's why I need my PC's IP address. Okay, I need to maybe find that without looking on the stream. Control, what? Open. Over here. Oh, it's like working something. There you go. Initializing spatial awareness. It's not going to work in here though, is it? Something's doing something. It's obviously trying to load XR. So L is the name of the AR assistant. I guess I should change it to XR, because XR is the cool new way to say it. Well, not too exciting. But now I have to figure out what my IP addresses, and then I can hop over the web. So maybe if I take this over here for a second, I can say, I don't know if this will work. It might work. But even if it does work, you're not going to get to see it anyway, I guess. Oh, it's kind of cool that it popped up at all. Okay, so I'm asking it, what's my IP address, and does IP config. And then you let it, and then it gives it to you. And then I can take it over here. It gave me one, but then I clicked OK, and then it's testing it. Okay, that's good. Oh yeah, it tested it for me. Okay, so now I guess I'll take a picture of that on my phone. And then I can close that. And y'all don't have to see that stuff. Oh, you can see some of it. Yeah, so then what you do is go to the website. Now is it the local IP? Your PC? Oh, hey. Okay, let's try it. Let's try it. Okay. I guess I'm going to use the public IP, or should I do the local IP? Let's try the local IP first, since it's easier. Okay. And then I do 8080. Okay. Okay. And then I do colon 8080 / demo.html. Alright, wish me luck. Oh, it's working! It says, welcome to LAR. Use L. We need to access your camera for AR mode. Well, guess what? I can do that. Camera says, access required. Please grant camera permission. Maybe I can do that right here. It didn't ask for it. Or maybe I need to do it in a different browser, so it doesn't have to. Yeah, I'll do it in Safari. Bingo. I'm doing it in like a secure app that doesn't let you do stuff. You know what I mean? All right. It's almost there, though. I can tell it's very close. It's kind of shockingly good. I mean, I've been working hard on it, but just making me log in to Google, as I've never used Safari. All right, we're in. Verifying it's me. Okay, do the deal. All right, take a break from this now. Perfect. Okay. Back to our deal. Demo. Start session. Access camera. Camera required. It's asking me to grant camera access. Okay, maybe if I go in my settings and turn camera access on for Safari. I'm just trying. Who knows? Maybe it's just because I've already turned it off on there. Let's see. Default browser. Extensions, block pop-ups. Maybe it's a pop-up? Check your connection. Camera ask. Allow. Just try that for now. Okay. session. Does it have volume? Hey, how's it going? Oh no, that's my stream talking.
Camera accent.
Alright, well, it's close. It's close. It's close, but it's hard to debug because it's one of those things where you have to debug it on the phone. This is where I really think this new Gemini model is going to be really cool. Man, that's pretty close to right, though. Pretty close to right. Okay, I'm just going to say camera access doesn't appear to be working. It won't start AR session. Maybe I should just say that. Because maybe the camera access was working just fine, you know? Oh, wait. Yeah. Perfect. I just want to make sure you're in the right chat. Okay. Do we want to do the Unity thing now? Okay, so the way this works is I've got 50 characters and they all have different stories and they all talk to each other. Maybe I can show you a demo of this in a minute. And that one finishes. I've got a lot of side projects I need to get going though. So we're going to build a classroom for teaching where we can ask questions and you can participate. I mean, you can do that right now if you're watching live, but you can do it not live. I'm trying to log in here. Yeah, how's the stream? Tell me in the comment section if you can chap in. Is it good? Is it decent? Are we still on? Looks like we're still on. Looks like we got a viewer. Oh, that might be me. Could be on promptly. You on promptly yet? Promptly new recruit. No viewers on promptly yet. Excellent connection though. So maybe I could take my stream from promptly. Can I switch away from that? Does it keep going? Okay, perfect. And then I'll pop over to the Reddit and then create a post. There we go. What the heck am we doing? Can you read that? Tell me. Okay, maybe I'll clean that up later. And then maybe I can do it on here. I don't know, maybe somebody wants to jump in there. Forgive them, Tom. And then this is called Noster. Yeah, there's like a tracking component of it. No, it's not there this time. So did I get a Noster set up? Is this my Noster or is this my account? How do I tell? Which account am I on here? Is this promptly bot? Unhooked? Because... no, this is just me. That's fine. This is promptly bot. Which you're going to learn about soon enough if you join the Discord. Probably the best place to learn about promptly bot. And how do you join the Discord, you say? Well, you join it. It's over here somewhere. These links, I've only got a few of these links. So use them while they're still fresh. Because they will expire soon. Of course, we'll put out more. But yeah, for some reason this is not letting me log in. I tried a couple times here. So, how do you build a video game? Well, same way you build anything. You just start clicking around. Oh, it's working this time. What will you create first? It's a good question. It's not that different than a website. That's what I figured out. Install the latest Unity editor. In progress. So it takes a little time. 3D beginner game. So, what I'm going to do, since this is working, let's go back over here. Let's see what we got. Finish that up. Like I said, it gets easier once you start. Okay, wait, debug console will show. Looks like an issue. I already did that. Backend URL not updated. Running. Let's try it again. Oh, it says updated backend URL inline 265. Start session. Make sure you updated backend URL. Camera not AR. Camera API not support. Oh, it seems so close. It's got like a session number and like how good it's making contact with the network. Oh, it's now saying not connected though. The server's not connected. Okay, where it says edit line 294 in where? Where's the demo? 294 in here. 294. Yep, that's it. Backend URL. Now it told me that a second ago. Hang on a second. Backend URL. You gonna act like you didn't talk to me now. That's how you gonna treat me. It's alright, we got her here. Okay. I gotta pull up my URL or my IP address. Is the WSL one what I need? Where is it? WS. Let's see what it does. Let's pull it over and try. I'll try this one. So, yeah. Don't really want to show everybody that. Okay, and then we'll say, and this is just it, you just kind of wiggle it out. Then we'll say server not connected. Oh yeah, server not connected. That's what happened, I disconnected. Who knows, it might be working. Okay, so I can start this. I hope this works. That'd be cool. I need to start this and then do this. Yep. That's sort of how it works. So pushing all the changes. If you want to download the code, do it yourself, you can. Alright, so I got the changes pushed. Just like a 14 modified, including. Okay, let's see if I can get all that. Would you like to get these fish? So you just copy 2, I would say. Commit and push these additional changes as well. Bam. That's what I want. It's really kind of about speeding up data entry. Data entry is not a fun job. Okay. Two main issues. Which APIs are supported? Okay. So I have to open that file. Change my thing again. Where is it? This I know, exciting night on the stream. How are you doing? So this is not it. Let's move it off here for a minute. So we can get it to not read it back aloud to you. It's not working, but maybe it's because we need to start the server. Let's try that next. Let's deploy for shell. Okay. Let's try to do this again. It doesn't have it in there. There it is. Start the back end. Oh shit, I should have put that in the terminal. Whoops, that's why I didn't pull it up. I was looking at Cloud Code, not in the terminal. Alright, you've updated it. Now let's do this. Okay. So I got the GitHub. Unity is finally working. Get all set up. 1 of 4. Gotta check and make sure I got the space for this. I gotta get a new hard drive. Ick. 30 more gigs. And all the funds cut short. So yeah, we got a Discord now. We got a matrix chat. It's gonna start up. That's sort of how I think we should orchestrate all of our conversation. Oh man, got a lot going on. Gotta get ready for Thanksgiving. All right, well, a little disappointed. Can't show you guys the AR thing, but I feel like it's close. So you flip through these. Each one of these is like a feature set. Of course, it's being mean to me now. I want to show all the fun work I'm doing. And then you kind of just work your way through it. But it's got a lot of tools to teach you how to use it. It's really well documented. So if you just get in your thing and you start asking like, hey, how does this work? And I'll explain it. Okay, here we go. Let's see. Okay. Let's just run it. I get this on my, I might get it. So I'm just pasting it in here because I like it. Put that in there. Guess we're not going to get a Unity. Neurohood did not. Yeah, well, anyway. Thanks for coming by the stream. More cool things coming soon. Demos. Demos. Everybody wants demos. I got it. We're going to do the demos. Anything else? Let me know in the chat. Awesome. Well, enjoy the rest of your evening. Get some rest. Take it easy.